Quick review of the Ryobi. This is a 40-piece. They're calling it an impact kit. Essentially, it is screws, Phillips, and standard of all kinds of different shapes and sizes. Plus, they got square guys, and they've got some torx in here also. And it's also got an extension that's got a little slider on it, so you can get a screw in there and hold it in place. It's got all kinds of good stuff. I've been using this on and off for, gosh, about a year. Been very happy with it. I think the one thing that I get a little frustrated with it is that when you open up this bottom row, you see there's actually two in here. And if I try and pull one of these guys out, it's in there so tight and it's so close to the next one that it takes a little bit of effort to get out. But quality-wise, I haven't stripped, cracked, broken any of these guys. Been very happy with it, and it's so convenient to have 40 of them right here in the box.